Bridgewater Canal was the first non-river based inland waterway to be built. It's bringing coal from Worsley into Manchester, which was a growing and developing city. With coal coming into the city and other raw materials, for example salt and lime, was a really important commodity for helping build the buildings that made Manchester the city as we've sort of come to know it.
So most people see the canals on a self-drive hire boat if they're going to do it as a holiday. But there are also hotel boats, so they usually do week-long trips. Theirs is much more of a cruise. Ours is we've always had it as a hands-on experience. So you come along, you get involved in working the locks, you have a go at steering the boat. It's this hands-on experience of getting to work the engineering and they're almost museum pieces now because of how old they are.
The canals are a really important part of the transport network in Greater Manchester. Historically, they've been an important part, and we very much see them playing a role in our future plans, especially when it comes to cycling and walking. We're making significant investments into the canal towpaths, very much using them as an opportunity for off-road cycle routes into the city centre, and also connecting communities and residential areas across the city region. The Bridgewater Canal links very much to Trafford Park, which is a key industrial and employment area, but also down to these key residential areas of Sow and Altrincham. And that's a really important commuter link for us here in Greater Manchester.
The canal network we have in Manchester is absolutely brilliant addition to things like the nighttime economy. There's lots of bars that front on to the canals and it gives a really distinctive kind of feel to sitting out having a drink by a canal. And there's lots of other leisure things to do with the canals. It's a great place for families to go. You can go fishing. I myself have regularly been fishing on the canals, caught lots and lots of roach.
Volunteers help us in all sorts of ways. We have volunteers who will come out on task days with us, so might be just doing a little bit of litter picking or painting some of the lock sides. Some people get involved in some more significant bits of maintenance, for example rebuilding some of our wash walls or rebuilding some of the other walls around the network or fences, those sorts of things.
We see loads of dog walkers around, people cycling along, and it's just this place just to chill out.
Cycling, running, walking. It's a really, really great resource.
And it is a little bit of a different world once you're on a canal, because people talk to each other, whether it's just hello or, dog walkers exchanging, a bit of chat, or boaters, or even between the two, everyone just acknowledges each other, and it's that really nice sense of community once you're within that little world that's just a little bit different to the fast-paced life of everywhere else.
It's part of the history and the fabric of Manchester, but still being used today, used in different ways, but adding lots and lots of value to people who live and visit here.